When I left school, I completed a apprenticeship through Competenz in the maintenance strand of engineering level 4. Practical side of the course makes up about 85% of what you actually do as far as an apprentice goes. The paperwork side of it's minute in comparison, it doesn't really compete, to be honest. I love doing the apprenticeship, it was an awesome experience. Competenz was really awesome. I couldn't wish to do anything else. I'm glad I did that instead of going to uni. I mean, uni's obviously good fun socially and that with your mates and that, but doing this was good fun, learnt heaps of life skills, and the fact is you do seem to get ahead of life compared to the guys that I went to school with that went to uni. They're still trying to catch up and get themselves sorted, whereas I'm miles ahead as far as that goes. I mean, opportunity-wise, it's huge. I mean, you can go anywhere in the world with this qualification and pick up work, so the world's your oyster as far as that goes. Further development, obviously you can move through from being just a tradesman into a more highly skilled technician and onto management if you wish. Especially within Fonterra, we've got that huge opportunity of being able to develop further. So it's really great. I mean, essentially choose your place in the world you want to go and you can go there.
Being a female didn't really come into my decision to do the apprenticeship. I've always been around males with racing stock cars. Over the past 2 years, I've learnt all sorts of skills. It's heaps more interesting than school. You're not sitting at a desk learning, it's actually hands-on, you're getting in there and learning how to get the job done. Competenz takes a big part in our apprenticeship. They're really good because they actually put someone with you that has been in the industry and knows about what you're learning and what you're doing. And if we have any issues or problems, they help us out with them. When I look back at my decision to become an apprentice, I am definitely happy that I done it. There's nothing else I would rather be doing. It's a lot of fun and real interesting work.
So I became interested in engineering basically just because I was interested in motorcycles. I went to university for a year but decided that the hands-on approach was much more for me for engineering. So in our shop we're a very old style of shop, so we do a lot of hands-on. We have no computerised machinery here. Every day is different. It can be something as simple as drilling a hole or making a gear. You never know what's going to come in the door. The apprenticeship you work through the day basically getting practical experience, and then by night you do your paperwork. I would recommend it to anyone coming in looking at starting an apprenticeship. You get an enormous amount of satisfaction when you finally put something back together when you've been working on it for quite a while and you've put all that work into all the parts you've made, put it all together and works right first time. That's always a good feeling.